The 24 TF joins the Gemini lineup and is today's featured floor plan. Riding on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis is just the start for the Gemini 24 TF. From the soft, comfortable driver's seats, set your destination on the touchscreen navigation system featuring backup monitor, Bluetooth connectivity, and radio. Let the 188 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque power you down new roads. Use the standard electronic stabilizing system as you set up camp. Now let's have some fun. The kitchen in the Gemini 24 TF is ready for action. With an electric induction cooktop, convection microwave, large single-bowl stainless steel sink, and fridge, all surrounded by beautiful Euro-style cabinets. The booth dinette in the 24 TF is designed for all your seating and sleeping needs, as a flip of a lever converts the booth into a bed. You have more seating options with the adjustable swivel captain's chairs, which are a great place for watching your favorites on the TV with Bluetooth-controlled entertainment center. Heading to the back of the coach, the bedroom features your queen bed and television, along with more storage in the closet. Into the bathroom, notice your stainless steel sink with storage below and above. And right over here, your shower with skylight. Stepping outside with the Gemini sparkles with the HD Max exterior, and the frameless windows add to the clean look. Perfectly placed under the power patio with integrated LED lighting, your TV on a swivel. You'll love how this exterior propane connection adds a little more recreation to this RUV. If you'd like to learn more about the 24 TF, visit thormotorcoach.com.